We are going for the break statement. We are going. If you observe this example, whatever we given, we're accepting one number from the user. Then when I am trying to break arrays, if the value of the even is equal to 10, then we are trying to break it. Break means it is coming out of the loop. What is the break means? Coming out of the loop. Out of the loop. That's what the meaning of break. It won't run anything. The moment it sees the break, it come out of the loop. That's the reason, though I given here 40, it generated up to what? 10 only it is generated. 12, 14, those things are not generated here. 12, 14, those things are not generated. The moment it is 10, it is coming out of the loop. Let us try to apply same scenario with our Pivot series. I want to apply. Same thing, I want to apply Pivot series. Suppose whenever it sees the 21, I want to come out of the loop. Then all you have to do is above code whatever available as it is, I am copying it. Then I am trying to paste here. Okay, I am trying to paste here. If I give an 100, you are going to get here up to 100, we are getting the result. Suppose I am writing here RS, this is how we are getting here RS result. Now I want to go for whenever the value is 21, I want to stop this one. Then I will write here if statement and I am going to write here break. When it has to break it, if the b value is equal to 21, if the b value is equal to 21, then go for break. Break also one of the predefined keyword in out of 33 keywords. The moment it sees the break, it won't run the next lines. It is not going to try. It's coming out of the loop. It's coming out of the loop. Whenever the condition is true, this line will be executing. This line is executed means it will come out of the while loop. Now if I execute this one, then if I given here 100, then enter, and if you try to see the result, what we have, 100, then if you try to see the result, what we have, we'll able to see RS is equal to up to 21 only we have it. 21 also not came because we written here append statement before assignment only we kept it. If you want that 21, you want it, then this line of code, whatever available, you try to place. Before this, you try to place it. So the 21 will be coming, 21 will be appended, then it will go for the next. So I am trying to execute this, then I am going for 100, then execute this RS, we'll able to see now 21, we're able to see it. So the moment it came 21, I want to break it, I break it. Breaking is nothing but coming out of the loop is called as break. Is it clear? Okay. So please practice it. In the next session, we'll see what you mean by continue.